All right, so I'm doing the unboxing.
The Bora Portamate wood rack.
Recommended from Matt from 731 Woodworks. Please check out his channel. Amazing woodworker.
Let's get into it.
Screws that are provided. All right, so this is the hardware I'm gonna use to attach the wood rack to the wall. So I'm gonna go with these hex bolts along with 2 washers and a nut to keep it secured. It's 3 holes per bar, so I'm gonna use 2 in the top one, the top 2 holes, and then these 6 inches in the bottom one because the bottom stud is laying flat, so I needed enough to get through the whole 2x4. All right, time to assemble this wood rack. So first I'm gonna go by, so if you can see, you got all small holes. They require the small screws. So you wanna do one at a time. You put 1 screw in, put on an extension, then to the next one. That way they don't interfere with each other. So the location of the small holes, you got one up this end and then one at this end. The one that's a 16 from the bottom, that's the one that verifies that's the bottom of the rack. are not support. The support is mainly from these leaning down, and it stops it. When you take the wood off, and these won't just completely slide down. That's the only purpose of the screws. And there you go. Well, I'm gonna do the next one and get ready to set them up. All right, so the way I leveled it out by myself is I go ahead and attach the bottom one. Alright, then I can go ahead and get the middle one figured out. And go ahead and take my level, get my pencil. Go ahead and get the pencil ready. Make sure that don't happen. Okay, let's try this again. Time to drill my hole. Go. Perfect. So, that's a lot. That's a lot going on. Then, and that should work out perfect. We all done. Time to load this motherfucker up.